and through my GoPro. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Pace!
And a Happy New Year!
What is going on, YouTube? This is MOTOSARGE signing in, and in today's video I got Paisley on my back, and we're just riding up to my favorite spot up here just outside of Pine Mountain, and we're just gonna bring in a little bit of holiday cheer today. So let's roll that intro and get on with today's video. Alright, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If this is your first time to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. Like we mentioned in the intro, today I'm just riding Paisley out to my favorite spot just outside of Pine Mountain. And we're just bringing in just a little bit of holiday cheer. We're going to talk a little bit about Christmas on the way up here. This video is before, so we just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and hope you guys are having a safe holiday and are enjoying the roads if you are out riding. Paisley, are you enjoying the colder weather right now?
Yeah, it kind of feels good.
It kind of feels good, right? I think right now it's like low 50s, so it's not too cold. Paisley's bundled up, of course, and she is rocking her new boots, aren't you, Pace?
Yeah.
You wearing your new boots?
Yeah.
Do you like those things or what?
Yeah, I love them.
So this little spot that we're going out to, Pace, Franklin D. Roosevelt used to come out here and like have picnics and stuff with his family and overlook like the valley out here. So it's actually a pretty cool spot. I've been here a couple times. I've taken some pictures of the bike up here, but riding is just gorgeous. Isn't it pretty, Paisley?
Yeah.
It's been a while since you've been on a bike.
I miss missing my dad.
I've been missing riding with you too, baby. Look, watch this view out this way. That's pretty, huh?
Yeah. And when the sun's going down, it's extra.
I know, I think we'll be up here when the sun sets a little bit. We might be able to catch some pretty cool shots. So Paisley, what all are you hoping that Santa brings you for Christmas?
I want stuffed animals, Bobby dolls, a house, baby dolls, a baby doll school, and slime.
And what?
And slime.
And slime. My gosh, I cannot stand slime.
I already have 2 slimes.
I know. I don't know about any of you out there, if you got kids and they like slime. I mean, does it just not get everywhere? We find it in our carpet, we find it on our couch, we find it everywhere it's not supposed to be. And Paisley wants slime for Christmas. Ugh.
Yeah, like my sister Addie, she taught me how to make slime. Like, she knows about slime. She has like 1,000 heads, but we throw them all away because we were doing it. Daddy's mom didn't want them in the new house.
She's dropping dimes, guys. She's dropping dimes. She's saying that Daddy and Mommy threw out all of their slime the last time. You know, riding up here, I thought it wouldn't be as pretty once all of the leaves fell off of the trees, Paisley, but it is like a different kind of pretty up this way.
I wonder if we see a deer up here.
I wonder if we'll see a deer up here too. Every time we put you on the bike, we come across some animal.
Well, last time came across a snake.
Yeah, last time we did come across the snake. We went and got some ice cream with a side of snake.
And it does look like a good home for the deer.
I hope they just don't run out in front of us, get in our way. That would suck.
I would not want that.
That would suck. I wonder if we'll see any reindeer.
I don't think reindeer are.
I don't think so.
It's definitely not Santa's.
I know. You think they're getting all of Santa's reindeer ready?
I think so.
Yeah.
Especially Rudolph.
What are you most excited about for Christmas, Pace?
Well, I'm most excited because everybody's going to get presents and I'm going to be happy. Everybody's going to get presents.
Everybody's gonna get presents. Yup. But we got family coming in. We got Gigi, your grandma, yeah, and Uncle Josh.
Me and Addie have to sleep upstairs in my room because we can't wake up to see Santa Claus. Hi, Daddy. He woke up on Christmas Eve making the baby bottle. And he's 1 year old now. And the real Santa Claus was there. He took 2 pictures.
That's right. Yeah, last year, huh?
Yeah,
Last year I caught Santa in the house. I'm gonna try to catch him again.
you can't stay up all night. You have to go to sleep, wake up, and then you'll probably be there.
So I think we're coming up on the spot, Paige. I gotta pay attention because I don't want to miss it. It looks like, yes, Dowdell's not. That's where we're going, Paige. This place is super cool. Wait till you see it. I hope you think it's as cool as I think so. This is just a super relaxing little spot. Looks like what? It closes at 5. Oh no, what time is it? 4:42. We gotta hurry, Paige.
Why do you have to hurry?
Because it closes at 5.
What closing?
The gate. We got 10 minutes. Oh no. I want to get a couple pictures of you up here. It's like super gorgeous looking out into the valley. And then there's a cool statue of Franklin D. Roosevelt up here. Underneath, your favorite, Paige, American Girl flag.
Yes!
Well, here it is, Paige. My favorite spot in Pine Mountain. Closes at 5. That makes sense. Because look at this, Paisley. Look at this view.
The gate's not closed.
Look at this view, Paige. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah. Is that the statue you're talking about?
Huh?
Is that the statue you're talking about?
Yeah.
Nobody's off of this.
Alright guys, me and Paige are gonna hang out around here for a little bit, and we'll catch up with you guys after we enjoy this view for some time. Franklin D. Roosevelt loved to picnic here, and he had this grill built. It was filled in to preserve it. Are you good back there, Pace?
Yeah. Well, wait, give me a minute. I have to cut. Okay, now go.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Go.
All right, we're gonna go.
It's the gate. Run. That's the gate. You can't get me. That's the gate. Run.
Run.
It's the gate. You can't get me. I'm the gate. Don't shut the gate. Don't shut the gate on us. Don't shut the gate.
I don't know. We gonna make it, Paige. It said the gate closed at 5, and you kept running around over there. It's 5:05. We made it, Paige. The gate is open. Woo! Thank goodness. Thank goodness. That would have been horrible.
Oh, I had to climb over the gate and leave the bike for the night.
You know that ain't happening.
Yeah, I do.
So what did you think of that spot, Paisley?
It was amazing. I liked it.
It was pretty amazing, huh? It is a good spot to just come up, get away from everything, and just hang out with nature, huh, girl?
Yeah, it kind of got a little
It got a little cold?
I'm cold.
Do you need me to slow down? Temperatures have dropped a little bit since we got up here, and the sun's going down too, baby, so it might get a little chilly on the way home. Are you good?
Yeah.
Yeah, Paisley's my year-round rider. Huh, girl?
Daddy, did you see the deal head? Or did the motor see all of it?
I didn't see the deer head coming up here, baby.
So, the motor
I think that's gonna do it for today's video. It's getting pretty chilly. We're gonna slow down, take a leaf off the face. We're gonna slow down and cruise on our way back into Hamilton, Georgia. Paige, you wanna say any final words to everybody? This is the last time before Christmas.
I hope you guys have a good time on Christmas, but I want you guys to get a lot of presents, and I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas Eve. And it's a holiday, so have a happy holiday.
And it's the holiday. Yeah, have a happy holiday.
Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. It's to
All right, Paige is gonna sing our way all the way back down the hill. So if you guys liked today's video, please click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, or at it, don't forget to ring that bell notification, get email alerts when we upload some new content. Like always, guys, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for tuning in to another video. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this is MOTOSARGE signing out.